I am here to talk about my favorite products in the whole entire world, and that's dóTERRA oils. Okay, and, and mostly the essential oil. dóTERRA has got many variety of different category of products, cleaning products, beauty products, but I use dóTERRA mainly because the essential oil, the pure and certified pure essential oil. And I see the oils mostly for a way to look after myself naturally, and I see as a holistic way to look after myself naturally. It could be spiritually, if I'm doing some meditation. It could be to release some pain, yeah, so that will be internal if I want to. Or it could be emotionally. For example, if I'm feeling, I am a very anxious person. If I'm feeling anxious, I will use a lavender. Another thing that I wanted to say about essential oils for my clients, my future potential client and my present client, is that once you start, if you want to learn more about essential oil, you start researching and you start knowing more about what is the chemical components of that specific oil that is going to help you, which property that essential oil will have to help you with a specific issue. When we were talking about anxiety, and we're talking about chemical component, lavender, one of the main components for lavender is something called, a component called linalool. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's well known to promote calmness. That's why people use, because the main component of lavender is linalool. That's why people use lavender to help to release some stress and promote calm. So let's go there. Actually, the idea of this video is mostly to speak about the 3 ways that you can use essential oil. Okay, so we go aromatically, breathing the aroma, topically, when we apply it directly to ourselves, or internally. Okay, so aromatically, I go here 2 different diffusers. This is my diffuser that I always use in the kitchen, and this is my diffuser that I go in my bedroom. Okay, so when you diffuse it this way, through your diffuser, you are, the main benefit, you are refreshing the air. Okay, you are also boost your mood. If you want to boost your mood, for example, what I do every morning, or at the moment we are not going to school and the routine at the moment is different, but when I was at school, for example, I will put any citrus oil, any orange, any lemon, citrus oil to wake us up. Then if it's in the evening, for sure, I will always use lavender, and I actually use every evening. My routine in the evening is to pull that, because it relaxes all of us, and it's time to understand, everybody in the house, that it's time to start settling down for the day. So another way that I will say you can use the essential oil also aromatically, you can put it in a little warm water, in a little bowl. Put yourself, for example, if you go the cold, I will use peppermint. Just put some drops in that little bowl with warm water. Put a little towel, very careful, please. Remember, safety first. Put a towel over you and just breathe and exhale the aroma. So that will help you also to open your airways if you go the cold, for example. So that will help you to release and open your airways. So we're talking about aromatically. Let's go to the next one, is topically. When we use it topically, one of my favorite oil that I use topically is frankincense. I tell you why. Is frankincense is well known for to protect your skin, and I normally use it direct, but you can use it also. You can put it in your cream, your night cream or your day cream or your moisturizing cream, some drops, and every day you will be using it topically. Another way to use, which I think is good for those that have little ones in the house, to use it topically, or even for ourselves, to be honest. In the evening when we want to just start settling or going to bed, you could use it, the lavender or any other oil that you know, according to the property, will help you to release, you know, and to help you to start feeling ready for, or help you to go to bed. You can put it on the bottom of your feet, yeah, and just do some massage. That's another way, really useful way to use the essential oil topically. Another way that I will use is if I want to feel calmly. Oh, actually, I do like patchouli sometimes. It also helps me to I don't know, it does uplift my mood, but also it could help you to relax, and you can. I will use it. I will put it a little bit on behind my ears, or I will put it on my ear now that I'm looking at my earring through this video that I'm doing. Okay, you can put it some on your chest, yeah, or behind here, your head. So that's another way to use. You just make sure, please. No, everything for everything in life, you have to be, you know, you have to use common sense and safety, and you have to read the label. Okay, so some oil you cannot use it direct in the skin. Some oil you may have to use them. You may have to blend it with some other oil, no other oil, but like an oil that you can use, like coconut oil, almond oil, just to use that topically. Here, I'm reading here, and I do use this a lot after my exercise. I like to use also the peppermint on my muscles, sometimes on also on my arthritis, my joints, when I got pain. I do like to use topically, and that release a little bit of pain. And I'm saying release, please don't think that essential oil is going to cure any health issue that you have or any ailment. No, but it does help you to release and to use maybe less medication, because you feel more comfortable and release of that pain. So we talk about aromatically, we talk topically. Now another way to use, a very interesting way to use essential oil is internally. And I give you an example of internally is the digestin, for example, Sengest is an oil that my son uses often, and even my husband, for the stomach uncomfortable, for any digestive issues. My son suffers a lot from colics. And to release some of those colic, he goes to Sengest and immediately release the colic. And again, it's because the chemical property in some of those oil in this blend is ginger and fennel also. That those oil that are well known to help release stomach issues. So again, another way to use it internally is through a tea. Sometimes I don't go there on guard at the moment with me, it's finished, but you can use okay, talking about fennel, you can use fennel in a little bit of warm water as a tea, you know, to help with digestion. And also it's so nice. I love fennel to take internally. It does help me to, I don't know, you give me a nice feeling internally. Another way that you can use it is with water. You can use lemon, you can use grapefruit or wild orange. You can use it and just take it internally. I mentioned wild orange, you can go wild orange and lemon, but you can use grapefruit internally. Grapefruit and lemon, it will help you to detox your system. I also have some vitamin C, as we know. So that will be an easy way. I will do, well, I do it myself every day, but if I was you, I will do every day few drops of lemon or any citrus oil and take it internally. Another thing, please, don't think because we are saying to take internally, you can take any oil internally. Not all the oils can be taken internally, okay? So, and also you need to make sure that that oil is certified pure therapeutic grade oil. And what that means, for example, with dóTERRA means that the oil in each bottle is being tested few times to make sure that it fits the standard to call that therapeutic oil pure. Okay, it means that they have tested the oil many times to ensure that what says there is what it is. It is to make sure that the oil that you're buying from dóTERRA have no any other additive, any other synthetic components, or nothing in that oil apart from what is said. That's why when you want to use essential oil for your internal, please make sure that you're buying a pure essential oil. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope this was helpful. Remember, you can use the oil aromatically, you can use it topically, and you can use it internally. For any of you that don't have the oil yet, but you want to get dóTERRA oil, I'm going to put here mine. You can see here, we will see it. I'm going to put there my website, my address. So you just go there and order your oils. If you need to phone me, just phone me for more advice. If you need me to send you some more printing information, I can. So anyways, thank you and happy day. Take care. Bye-bye.